Stop eating dirty mushrooms. They are not fragile sponges. They are food grown in soil, and soil should not be on your plate. You have heard this rule. Never wash mushrooms because they soak up water like sponges. That sounds scientific. It feels smart. It is also incomplete. Mushrooms are already about 90% water. Adding a quick rinse does not suddenly turn them into water balloons. A fast rinse is surface cleaning, not deep soaking. Soaking for a long time can make mushrooms absorb extra water. That is different. But a short rinse barely changes their weight at all. Remember where mushrooms grow. They grow in soil and compost. Soil is natural, but eating soil is optional. Washing removes dirt. It does not remove flavor. Any tiny surface moisture cooks off quickly in a hot pan. Heat is stronger than a few drops of water. The real rule is simple. Rinse quickly, cook immediately, do not soak. Mushrooms are not sponges. They are food. Wash your food,